Hey VanGang, so I am back with another video, and today this is going to be part 3 of my 3-part series on this hair that I got from Dynasty Virgin Hair. And if you haven't seen part 1, I will have it listed right here. Part 1 is actually an unboxing. I show you what the hair looks like when I got it. This is Dominican Curly hair, okay? So in part 2, if you haven't seen that, I will have it listed right here. That video was basically an update. I wanted to show you what the hair looked like after I washed it compared to what the hair looked like when I first got it, as well as I also told you everything about products that I use in the hair and all of that good stuff. So you want to go check out those 2 videos. This video is going to be my full review on the hair. So the first thing I want to do is talk about the inches, because they do carry up to 40 inches, but I have in 32, 30, 28, and 26. So I have really long inches, and I feel like when you have really long inches, those are the true tests of the hair. Okay, when the hair is really long, if it's bomb hair, then I would definitely give you the go ahead for any inch that they carry. Okay, but if I had in really short hair and I'm saying, oh, this hair is bomb, I don't know how the hair is going to act when it's longer, because you know, sometimes the longest inches could be the hardest to work with, the hardest to deal with. But in this case, it has been easy breezy. Okay, this hair is absolutely beautiful. So let's get into the questions. I do have a few new products for you. So the first question is this Dominican hair? No, I think they just named it Dominican hair because of the curl pattern. This is more of like a vacation type of curl in my opinion. Like if I was going to the Dominican Republic, I would wear this hair. Okay, it is just some beautiful curly hair in my opinion. I just really love the way this hair looks. It definitely just reads like take me on vacation vibes. And this hair is beautiful wet, so you can definitely wet it and get it wet in water, and again, it will revert back to the curl pattern. So the next question is what type of origin of hair this is. So the thing about this hair is when you go on this company's website, they have so many options that it can get confusing. So as far as the Dominican curly hair that I am reviewing, this is mink hair. So there's no origin as far as Brazilian, Peruvian, or you know, Filipino, Russian. Those are origins, but this hair specifically, the only option is mink. Okay, so this is their mink hair. So the next question would be, does this hair curl? Does it hold a curl? And does the hair revert back to its normal curl pattern? So I have went and curled this hair, and I curled it more than once. So I had the hair curled for, I think I want to say about 4 to 5 days in some wand curls, and it was absolutely beautiful. The only thing is it did not hold the curl well, like at all. And when I curled it, I actually went in with this spray. This is the AMIKA Un.Done Volume and Matte Texture Spray. This is amazing. Okay, it doesn't give your hair a stickiness or you know any crazy residue, but it definitely holds very well, and you can still go and do styling even though you use this. So it's not like spritz or anything. This is like the best hairspray in my opinion for hold. Okay, so if you haven't tried this, definitely go check it out. I will have it linked down in the bottom bar. But the hair just would not like really hold the curl in the way I wanted to. It dropped, and then it dropped, and then it dropped some more, but the curls were still there with that holding spray, but it got frizzy. Okay, it got really frizzy, so I wasn't feeling that look. So I did wash it, and as you can see, it definitely reverted back to its original curl pattern. This time when I washed it, as I told y'all, you definitely need some type of leave-in like curl cream or something. So I wanted to try something different. So this time I sprayed it down with the Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls, and this is a daily styling spray. And these were my results. and I think it looks really pretty. And then I did go back in with that same curl cream that I mentioned in my previous video on this hair. So if you want to see the products that I normally use on this hair, definitely check out part 2. So this is what the hair looks like after being washed and being in curls for about 5 days. So it definitely reverted back. I had no issues. It didn't take a long time to revert back. It instantly went back curly. So that is a great indicator that you will not lose any of your curl pattern if you know, straighten the hair or curl the hair. So that's it for all the main questions that I think people would ask me that I didn't touch on in the first or the second video. As far as tangling, it has like the lightest bit of tangling by the end of the day, and that is definitely something that is okay with me. This hair is 32 inches. I have in 4 bundles and a closure. My closure is 20 inches. I did not go in and do any layering, so the closure blended straight into my hair, even though the closure is 20 inches and my bundles are like in the 30-inch range. So that is great. I had no issues blending the closure with the bundles, like none. I did not do any cutting in any type of way, point blank, period. If I had to give this hair a rating, I would definitely rate it a 9 out of 10. I absolutely love it. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I've had no issues with this hair whatsoever. The only thing is I do wish that it would stayed in a pattern that it had from the unboxing. Okay, I loved that pattern so much, but it's still a very pretty curl pattern, even though it's not the same exact pattern as when I got the hair. Okay, I've had no issues, so I have no cons to really give you outside of it doesn't hold a curl very well. That is all. But if you get hair like this, I doubt you want to really curl it up anyway, because it's just so beautiful in this pattern. And normally I do not like to change, like whatever the pattern is, I like to keep it that way. So usually when I have curly hair, I do not flat iron it or put any heat to it, because I think that just defeats the purpose of getting like curly hair. So yeah, I did test this hair out in different ways for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any other questions. I definitely recommend this company. So far so good. I haven't had any issues from the start. They have been extremely professional, so I would definitely recommend this hair. Don't forget to thumb this video up, comment, subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I have a new upload. I upload on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and one day on the weekend. I will have part 1 and part 2 listed down in the bottom bar, so you could just, you know, go to those for, you know, every single thing you can think of on this hair. I've probably answered in one of the videos. So definitely go check out part 1 and part 2. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will speak to my next video. Bye y'all.